5 money tips every teen should know. As a teenager, you may still be living at home, but as maturity approaches, it's crucial to make sure you have the financial know-how you'll need to avoid costly mistakes when it comes to handling your own money. As you start to attain financial independence, such as working your first job and preparing to live on your own, you should seek out techniques and resources that will enhance your money management abilities before you learn these lessons the hard way. Here are 5 money suggestions for teens to help you accelerate your learning curve and approach adulthood with a healthy financial head on your shoulders. 1. Set up checking and savings accounts while you're still living at home. Don't wait until you're living on your own to establish accounts with a local bank. Set up a checking and savings account and learn the basic activities of these accounts, such as writing checks, making debit charges, and investigating online bill pay and other vital features. Opening checking and savings accounts can help you create a relationship with a local financial institution, while also familiarizing yourself with 2 of the most crucial financial instruments you will ever use. 2. Use money management applications to make budgets and track spending. Money management applications are a wonderful resource to help you track your income, make spending budgets, and discover trends in your spending behavior. With these money management applications, you can practice the habits of better money management and track your success over time. Download a complete guide to budgeting to learn how to construct a budget that works for you. 3. Take use of technologies that help you save gradually. Similar to money management applications, you have many different alternatives when it comes to micro-investing platforms and other savings solutions that employ technology to build towards savings goals. These solutions can range from smartphone apps like Acorns to programs offered through your financial institution, such as Pocket Change. You're likely running on a modest, fixed budget, but these tools will make it easy for you to make savings contributions, even with low spare income. 4. Find simple strategies to start building credit. Opening a bank or savings account is important for developing a financial history, but these accounts don't help you develop credit. There are other actions you need to take to start developing a favorable reputation that adds to a higher credit score, which will come in handy when it's time to take out student loans, finance a car purchase, and even buy a home. The first step is to make on-time payments for any expenses you may have, such as your cell phone if your plan is distinct from your parents'. If you financed a car purchase with your parent or guardian as a co-signer, making regular payments might help you create a great credit history. Another simple strategy to improve credit is to open a beginning credit card that has a low spending limit. Credit card fees and interest may mount up rapidly, so be sure you're keeping a check on your spending. One method to prevent worrying about overspending is to simply use your credit card for 1 or 2 expenditure categories per month, such as obtaining gas. It's also smart to set up automatic payments to guarantee your balance is paid off in full every month. As you look ahead to your college years and adult life, it is crucial to be conscious of the pitfalls of using credit cards and student loan debt to pay your lifestyle. These financial instruments make it easy to spend money carelessly in the moment, but if you're not careful, you could dig a deep financial hole that takes years to get out of and earn significant interest along the way. Use our debt calculator to discover how the long-term cost of debt may play out over time. Borrow money only in needed instances, and don't make credit card charges you can't fully pay off. As a teenager, you may just be starting to come into financial independence, but you have lots of opportunity to improve your money management abilities and create healthy financial habits that will benefit you for the rest of your life.